good morning. So this kami mag-school karon guys. So we're going sa tawag dito sa PC kay mana ko order na kailangan i-pick up niya. Kapit na lang po ko ibon kay nabili dito din. Order po ko kay na po yung order. So karon guys kay wala kami. So kami doon, kailangan namin pero I think nag-inventory ang PC, hindi ako naka-order sa PC. Tignan na natin kung naka-order ako sa Avon, baka nag-inventory dun. So ganun guys, ganun yung hindi kami mag-school ngayon, nagil siya, maglakad kami tapos yung mga order i-deliver ko yun. Kasi if ganun, so okay na din yung ganun. Stop ang antay. So, ganun na yun guys. Punta na tayo dito. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. May the Lord God bless you. May the Lord God bless you. May the Lord God bless you. Happy birthday to you. Wow, it's happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to me.
Siyempre, isya,
Airplane, it's a Cebu. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Happy day, the world I wish you, the world I wish you, happy birthday to you, the world I wish you, daddy to you, daddy to you.
Hello guys, good evening guys. So this is me and this is my daughter Milsha and her father is there. So guys, alam nyo guys bakit late kami nag-vlog ngayon? Kasi kanina umaga ay maaga naman kami gumising pero yung batuta namin maaga naman din pero hindi namin alam bakit late yung namin kasi affected kami kasi guys sa pangyayari sa mga baboy na inalagaan namin kasi yung do not put it back, Misha, the lizard will get angry with you. Put it back, all the diapers. Cow, go pick the diapers, cow. Go pick the diapers and put it back there where it belongs. Go. So kanina umaga guys, yung anong tawag nito? Yung partner ko o yung husband ko ay nag-aalala sa mga baboy at saka yung mga inahin na baboy. Yun ang unang nagkasakit. Gatas please daw. Papa, gatas please daw. So, ganito si Milsha guys. Gatas please. Gatas please. It's okay. So, ginoo ko. Punta na lang. Pulit Oh, get it.
There's a fish.
So yun guys, asa naman to? Nagka-problema, ay nagkasakit yung nagkasakit yung isang inahin. Tapos, alam mo naman, kapag may sakit yung baboy, alam mo yung ESF, sa Bisaya pa magtakod. Sa takod sa Tagalog din. Sa Tagalog sa takod. Yung bang, kakalat. Kakalat ang sakit sa ibang baboy. Yun. Yun nga, problemado siya kaninang umaga. At saka yung isang baboy na namatay talaga, hindi kinaya. And may mga iba naman, hindi inahin, ano bang tawag doon? Milvin, unya pa man late pa man eh. Late upload pa man din. Ha? O, nagagalit na naman siya. Ayaw niyang mag-topic ng mga ganun. So, yun. So, yun na yun, guys. Ayaw ko na mag-topic ng ganun kasi nagagalit na siya. Oh. Tomorrow, guys, kami bukas? Papasok kami sa paaralan kasi hindi yung pumasok yung batuta namin. Hindi siya pumasok kanina. Ay, alam nyo ba guys, kaninang umaga at saka hapon, ang init. Ngayong gabi, umulan naman. Yun na nga guys. So, yun na yun. Bakit kami hindi nakapag-upload o nakapag-vlog? Kasi, gano'n na nga. Tapos na siyang mag-inom. Mama. So yun guys, subscribe na kayo guys. Subscribe at saka like or comment. Yun, pasensya na kayo guys ha kung pabalik-balik yung yung ginagawa ko kasi ito yung mga daily life ko dito.
Hi.
Oh, hi daw. Talk to them. Oh. Talk to them. Talk to them. Talk to them. Talk to them. Yun nga guys. Ito si Milsha.
Hi.
Hi. Say hello. Ay, sus na may sounds na inyo. Ay, okay ra din na siya kaysa na dyan siya. So, na yun na guys. So, hindi pa ako tignan natin kung anong mangyayari nito kasi ang dami kong ginagawa.
Hi.
Sa
Hi.
pag-edit saka yung ko.
Hi. Hi.
Pag-freelance namin,
Hi.
ko yung pan ko sa pag-freelance. Hindi ko pa na asikaso yung mga nagme-message. Pasensya na talaga ha, hindi ko masagot kaagad kasi ang dami kong ginagawa. Merong batuta. Pasensya na talaga guys. Gagawan ko yung paraan. I will be right back. Hi guys. Ito si Misha. Kanina ko pa to, hindi kumain ng kanin guys. Hindi kumain ng kanin. At saka kinain niya yung itlog. Binigay ko na lang yung itlog. At ako ng gatas niya. Prepare for the school. Ipinainom ko na lang kasi alam kong hindi yan kakain. Ganun guys, iisip na naman ako ng ipapakain ko sa kanya na hindi siya kaagad kasi ito na hindi kakain ng kanin. Babalik na naman tayo sa Cerelac. So ito yun guys, no? Ito yung baby ko. Nagmamadali ako kasi 8 na. Anong oras na? So ito yun guys. Ito yung baby ko. Ayaw, yan na imutin. So guys, stop ko muna guys kasi kailangan kong magmamadali. Kailangan ko tong liguan muna na pagkatapos akin namang sarili. Tapos, meron naman akong gagawin dito pagkatapos linisan ko pa tong makalat niya na tinapon niya yung rice dito sa baba. So, linisin ko muna. Tapos, papaliguan ko. So, bye for now guys.
Last time we talked, you had nothing to say. You chose to walk, give what we had away. I hope you get what you're looking for. But babe, with me, you close the door on everything we could have been. Don't go thinking we could be friends. No, you can't bring us back from the dead. 'Cause when you know, you know. And when you don't, when it ends, it ends. When it ends, it ends. I really thought we might have been it, so my heart was shattered when it took the hit. Oh, I can't imagine doing all that again, even for one night to see where it went. Here's the thing, you made your bed, I just got your stay out of my head. No, you can't bring us back from the dead. 'Cause when you know, you know. And when you don't, when it ends, it ends. When it ends, it ends. End of the road, nowhere to go. You cut the ties, you burn the rope. So don't let me see your name lighting on my phone when it was you who let go of everything we could have been. Is it sinking in all your regret? No, you can't bring us back from the dead. 'Cause when you know, you know. And when you don't, when it ends, it ends. When it ends, it ends. I don't need room to guess. When it ends, it ends. When it ends, it ends. Last time we talked, you had nothing to say. You chose to walk, give what we had away. I hope you get what you're looking for. But babe, with me, you close the door on everything we could have been. Don't go thinking we could be friends. No, you can't bring us back from the dead. 'Cause when you know, you know. And when you don't, when it ends, it ends. When it ends, it ends. I really thought we might have been it, so my heart was shattered when it took the hit. Oh, I can't imagine doing all that again, even for one night to see where it went. Here's the thing, you made your bed, I just got your stay out of my head. No, you can't bring us back from the dead. 'Cause when you know, you know. And when you don't, when it ends, it ends. When it ends, it ends. And
Muna kong bibi. Muna yung papa.
Later.
How old are you? How old are you? How old are you? Oh, mahulog ka diha. How old are you? How old are you? How old are you? Mapagdito mo sa kuan din, oh.
Hey, hi,
How old are you, Milsha?
hi.
Ikag babuyan, Bin. Hi, guys. Good afternoon.
Hi.
Good afternoon, guys. Nakauwi na kami dito kanina pa. Mga 12:30 ata. Dito sa bahay. And then, pumunta pala kami pagkatapos ng pagkatapos ng klase, pumunta kami doon sa kanyang lola. And then, doon siya nagkain ng lunch. And then, tapos ito, after lunch, umuwi na kami dito kasi nandito ang kanyang papa. Hindi nagtrabaho ang kanyang papa. So, ito na yon. So, dito na kami. Tapos, papatulugin ko muna ito and then maglalaban na naman ako. Hi. So, bye for now, guys.
Last time we talked, you had nothing to say. You chose to walk, give what we had away. I hope you get what you're looking for. But babe, with me, you close the door on everything we could have been. Don't go thinking we could be friends. No, you can't bring us back from the dead. 'Cause when you know, you know. And when you don't, when it ends, it ends. When it ends, it ends. I really thought
Nalagay tayo ng personal collection. Nagbibinta ko ito. So, fabric conditioner with citronella. So, lagyan natin. Hindi na ako ito na ang banlaw ko. Isang banlaw lang po. Natin. First ko pa itong gamit, guys. Ano ba yun? 15. Wednesday ngayon. July 15. Nagluluto kami sa kahoy, guys. Tignan nyo, guys, ha? Nagluluto nito. So, guys, ano to? Paksiw. Paksiw to, oh. Nagugugo ng paksiw. So yun, sarap kumain ng paksiw. Fish. kanin guys. Ay, lubog ng benta. Properly na eat your food na. Use the spoon na diyan. Sundog mo na siya. Sundog mo na siya. Pinamot. Kande? Kande? Tarong kande? Ano mo na yun? Kain tayo guys.
Hi, hi, hi. 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 Hi.
Ito lang ka natulog mga anak. Tayo matulog. Makinig lang tayo juice. Ha?
Mama. Papa. Mama. Mama.
Ha? Ay kami. Dito sa pungitan. Dito sa fish o fish. Eat now.
Ay, mas daw.
It's not a high mass. It's lumpia. Lumpia. Eat rice na, eat rice. So that mama will give you. Eat rice ha. Ang pagkaon mo pa. Eat rice. You need to eat rice. Eat rice first. Anong tubig? Eat rice. Eat rice na.
Yes.
Lumpia. Fish. Lumpia. Ha? Biskuit.
Ha?
Biskuit.
Ang biskuit mo.
Oo, nasa biskuit. Ah, ano ka biskuit?
Papa!
No.
Papa!
No.
Papa!
Later na.
Papa! Papa!
Later na. Okay, mag-itsa ta. Mag-itsa. Mag-itsa.
Best.
Nakabagit. Right?
Yeah.
Kala mo.
Sarado na ito. Kuha na yun, Pen. Napadating na lang alim dito.
Kita ba? Ganon.
Napupuka. Dahan kain. Kuha niya ako paliho dito. Wala naman lagi ka mukha. Di kuha man lagi di mo ang kusara. Nasikiit.
Okay.
Sikiit. Eat na. Do not play.
Kala. Oo. Tunggulan. Gusto pa.
Eat na ta, guys. So, wala sa inyong basikot.
Yummy.
Sudos lang ako.
Napin na lasok siya. Manang ko na kulag ng kapag siya. Ano? Ayun, no.
When you were
Pati ako na lang bias. Ito lang mga kuan. Hinahinayan na natin mga ako sa PC. Pero kahit 1 month, ako ang mag 1 month to 1 month pa. Yeah. Pero lang, mura yun na. Good for 1 month. Mura na ako. Eat na. Daan. Sabi mo tato. Wala ka nagbalik.
Ha?
Ginang mo.
Ha?
Ginang mo.
Wala akong bitso dito sa Papa will go in the CR.
Eat your food now. No. Isa. No. Eat your food.
No? Happy.
Food na po eh. It's not a food. It's a bowl. Kung na lagi ay kailangan nag-ants. Eat your food now. Fish or fish. Hindi na naman kami.
Oh,
Give mama. Mama need to wash the clothes first, ha? Put it here. Take your water. Hi guys. Nanti. Bisa mama. Ay, wala dito. Wala na, Jun. Di kayo mga panak din. Dito mama na. Ano mo na lagi? Hindi na ito mga baby ko. Oh, close na na, close. Ay, wala. Wala, naunsa na ni. Nag-cry na siya, guys. Nag-cry na.